Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price updates. Of course, this was not intended to have one more video for today, but of course, because of the massive wave towards the downside, even more than expected target, the 2.618, which it was given already with the previous video, where we were still almost in this place, and I told you, of course, that we are, of course, moving down from this price to at least 2.618, because I told you as well that this looks a very short as a wave 3, and we might have extended wave 5, or even we can have a double 1 2 here and 3 4 5 4 5, and still one more 4 5 to finish your 1 2. So yeah, be careful, we're gonna see some deep correction here for Bitcoin. I mean, come on guys, it is the time, right, for it. After hitting the over 100k scenario, this is the psychology of the market. We just hit the 100k, it's done, it's over. Okay, that was it. Let's move down, right? So, of course, we're not done. We're still bullish in the long term, but now we need a deep correction, of course, based on what is going on with Bitcoin since yesterday night. Of course, we have finished a nice impulse as well, 1 2 3 4 5, hitting the over 100k. And yeah, it's time a little bit to get or to give the bears some chance, right? To move, of course, down. So as you can see, a very long wick, of course, based on the fear in the market, and yeah, of that impulse that it has started, and of the fear of the 100k, of course. So we saw, of course, a 91,500 almost, and we are still looking, of course, for lower. Now, of course, you see a deep rejection. That's very normal. It's only the FOMO right now. But of course, okay, let's fix our impulse here. So basically, we are gonna have a 1 2 3. So this is definitely was your wave 3 towards towards the downside. As you can see here, the volume is the highest, of course, in your wave 3. Definitely, this was your wave 3. So we are still looking for wave 4 and a 5 towards the downside. And yeah, so these are the things, guys. Here, probably then we have 1 2 1 2, and then 3 4 5 4 5 and 4 5. So basically, we are still looking towards the downside, guys. If we want some targets, let's have some. So your targets, as I said before, those targets were given already for your wave 4 in the yellow, which we would like to finish it somewhere here. So let's fix the labels here already. That was not fixing. So here we go. Yeah, we are looking for this wave 4 to finish in around this area, as we said. So what are the possibilities, guys? The possibilities are, of course, that we might have a triangle, you remember, because we are in a wave 4. So yeah, 4.23, very nice. So yeah, triangle possibly. In that case, we will not see lower than this wick, but I doubt it because of this impulsive wave. It tells us, of course, that I'm not a triangle here. It tells us I am probably a zigzag, and probably, of course, as a first wave zigzag, and then 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. So that, of course, give us a 0.38 minimum target, guys, to 0.38 fib level at 83,600 again. So we might be in a zigzag, an impulse, first leg, 3 waves up, second leg, you have finished 3 waves before the 1 to 1 fib time. Therefore, 3 waves up, of course, 5 waves down again, or another impulse hitting around, of course, this area and finishing, of course, after this time here. So guys, yeah, we're gonna be in a long correction. We're gonna see a little bit lower prices. We might come back to the 80,000 for Bitcoin. This is your target. Now definitely TP1, I mean, as obvious target is your 90,750 almost. Of course, we have definitely to take this one. Yeah, so we might take it even, yeah, maybe after finishing this 4545, and then of course, yeah, moving a little bit higher, and then of course continue towards the downside. So yeah, no need to go to KGT, of course. KGT is exploding now. I think in the 1 hour 1 minute chart, look at the, yeah, before this massive down. Look what I have, of course, on KGT here. We got a lot of sellers accumulating, of course, even knowing that there is a lot of pressure here. It doesn't matter because you don't have a divergence here with the price action. And of course, because we are already in a cell, as you can see, the signal, the only signal that we have, it so already from here. You got your conversions for the bearish signals, as with the price, you see the convergence, and of course the confirmation. As I say always, you can have those CVD signals to see, of course, the accumulation between buyers and sellers. And here we go. Now, next is, of course, we saw some rejection, a buy signal. Of course, this is a correction right now happening, but of course, we're gonna see, of course, accumulation of sellers again, and continuation towards the downside for a wave 5. So this wave 4 is gonna be, of course, a little bit longer in time because you have 1 2 1 2. So basically, this is yeah, related to this 1 2 here. Yeah, so basically, of course, tonight we're gonna see more lower prices already, maybe from now even. So yes, this is these are the update for Bitcoin. We have reached the 4.23 fib level, even lower than our main target. But of course, I cannot give you guys such a target. I knew that we're gonna reach this zone, but I cannot give this target directly for an impulse. I was expecting maybe 3 waves like this, and then 3 waves up, and then yeah, something like that. But yeah, the fear was bigger than this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. For KGT indicator, you can have it in the description below. Of course, you can contact me to have yeah, this to sort you up. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.